one there, one there. And so what we need is so that the water, when it runs, instead of running straight down the middle here, will run across to each of the blueberries. There's a little worm, yeah. Samuel might move the worm for us.
Yeah, I will. I gotta help the worm.
Here.
Worm. I will put it right in there.
And you can dig across here. Ooh. Dig this out so there's a channel across there. Lucinda has decided she'd like to grow some blueberries. And of course Samuel has to do everything that his big sister does. So we're planting a couple of blueberry plants. Now personally I've never been greatly excited by the flavour of blueberries. I prefer things like black currants, but if the children would like to grow some, then we'll have a go. We've chosen this spot here beside the greenhouse because we've got the water pipe running out from the greenhouse, the excess water when we water there, and this will be one of the dampest spots around. Our little knoll here tends to be quite dry in summer, and so it's fairly difficult to find a damper spot to grow things like this. So they hopefully will grow quite well here. We've got the black currants growing beside, and they do really well in this location. When you're planting a plant like this, you need to put it in the ground so that it is basically in the ground to the level that it was in the pot. You don't want to put it in any deeper, generally, only to that level. So what we're going to do is we're going to try a little trick, which we're going to plant it in the pot like that. And then you'll see what happens, what we do. So it's a little bit deep there, isn't it? It's down in the ground a bit too far. So I want you to get your shovel, put a bit more soil back in the hole. Okay? So you can put some more soil in the hole.
When you say stop.
Yeah, so scrape some back a quick way, like that. Now,
do you think that looks like enough?
Let's see, does that look at about the right level? I think it does. We'll bring it out this way, and it will look nice,
Daddy,
as it grows.
Daddy, because that big pot can go up there.
Yes.
Well, and the loose part just stays there.
Exactly. So what I want you to do now is to take the soil and put it all around the pot.
Daddy,
so up to the level of the pot. Fill the hole back up. Yes,
Did you know that is there enough soil in there?
Not quite yet. We'll do yours now. Okay, can we?
Okay.
Well, lift that out. We'll just lift him up a bit, about there. So now, you can fill yours up. Scrape it in there, Sam. There you go. Keep going, Lucinda.
Right.
You've got to fill the hole up.
Yeah. But that's not how to plant one.
Keep
you have to take the pot out.
Well, keep going. You'll see what happens.
Daddy, look what I can do now. If I'm pressing hard on the soil, Daddy, watch. I go like this, Dad.
That's right. You can use your foot.
Oh. It's easy, Dad. Just... Okay, so now I will try that. Just use that. Then... Now the other side, we see the bend. Like this, Samir. Oh. And then you... Dad, I will tell you how I got this idea, because I got it from you two, because when I was looking at you two, I found how you can actually use your foot.
Now, let's see if we can make this trick work. We've planted it in the pot, and what Daddy's going to do is pull it out of the ground, and we have a hole in the ground exactly the size of the pot. So, what are we going to do now?
Is just take it off.
Just take the pot off, just gently slide it off like that. Right.
What's all those white stuff?
Those things are the roots.
And it has the shape of it.
Of the pot, that's right. So we just loosen the bottom a little bit like that, so that the roots are going to go out a bit and they're not going to get stuck in the pot shape.
Now it looks like a pog juice.
And now we're going to slide him back down into the hole. Look. And the plant is in the ground.
I'm not going to put...
Now we can just press it down. And now we can water it. Samuel, let's see if we can do the same with your plant. You want to come and help me?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Surely, Dad.
I'll hold it. Now, can you squeeze the pot a bit? Right. Oh, it's Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Till it ready to come off. Come on. That's it.
And how am I take those? It looks the same shape as Cinder's part.
Yes. So we loosen that off.
Yeah. I don't want to touch that dirt. Only touch this dirt.
Now standing back, Samuel, we can drop him into the ground. See? Like that.
And I'm going to cover dirt there. Come on. Ready. I'm pointing it.
Lucinda, this hose is a stop end. Unless you put something in it, the water won't come out. So now, switch it on, Samuel. Turn it on.
Oh, now. Dad, I just want to test if it works. It didn't work. Huh?
Well, it takes a lot of water to run around that way. So it's round and round your plant. Now, the last thing we might do is we might put some compost. I'll put some compost around the plant to mulch it nicely. Yeah? Okay, maybe Samuel has to go now on his plant.
Good point, Samuel. Yours. Go round and round in circles. Mine is working. Well, mine is good. Did I not put lots of water in mine?
Yes.
I know the easiest way.
Yep, right, tip it over and empty it out.
I know how to do it the easiest way.
That's right. Good. Now,
Get my compost.
you can spread it around the plant. Okay.
I'm only digging it to it.
Just don't cover the plant in it. You want it around the plant.
Ooh, ah.
Cinda, if you use your shovel like a bulldozer and push it, you can push a lot more than you can lift. Okay? You have a go.
But you're covering my
It's
plant.
okay. We can wash it off again.
Dad, look, I'm finished mine.
Yeah?
Now what am I going to do with the rest of the compost?
We've got lots down here that can go up around it.
What about mine and more shower? Hey.
So can you get Samuel the shower now, please?
Samuel, you take yours. I'm going to give
That's
it.
away, Samuel. Give it a wash.
I need more water.
So, Lucinda, when are you going to pick blueberries off here?
Ping pong pong. Yes.
Oh, I hope it doesn't take that long. It will take a little bit of time though.
But what if it takes this long?
Some trees take that long. Avocados, if you plant avocado seeds, they can take 10 years.
10 years?
But these, maybe next year, but the year after, you should get some blueberries. The important thing to remember, Lucinda, is that you need to plant plants like shrubs and trees, like blueberries and
What
like
shrubs?
fruit trees. Shrubs, these will be a shrub. They're plant trees that don't grow really, really big. They're small trees. But this is a shrub. This is a black currant and it's a shrub. Okay? And the blueberries will be a shrub. But you need to plant things like that very soon. When you have a place, a home, you need to put them in quickly because they take time to grow. And if you don't plant them,
Dad, I'm saving
You never
a
get
little work.
but the sooner you plant them, the sooner you get to eat them.
Daddy, when I'm grown up, I might make my own blueberry farm.
You might.
And when I'm a grown up, then I'm gonna make a blueberry cupcake.
Right. Oh, that sounds yummy,
Only
Samuel.
for you. Dad.
Oh, thank you, Samuel.